Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I'm always asked, what about the nape of the neck? Does anybody ever get a hair transplant of the nape of the neck? Well, the answer is they sure do. And when we do it right. So if you ever have hair loss that is from traction, from pulling out the back of your hair, from having too many weaves or extensions here in the back of the hair, come to us, give me a call. I'll do a free consultation. And this nape of the neck will be on point. Yes, with 4C hair texture, I only recommend the FUT procedure, but this is going to be as full as can be.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.